this tutorial is just a really quick one. I'm going to show you how to create a custom skybox material and then hook up your directional light to your sun so you can mess with your skybox in some really interesting ways and get some cool effects. So similar to this. But I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch, so give me just a second to reset this. All right, when you open up Unity for the first time, your default skybox, your scene view, probably looks something like this, right? But if you want to customize it, you get to create a custom material. So go ahead and find maybe your materials folder, wherever that is. You can see I've created one earlier. But what we're going to do is we're going to right-click and create a new material, and I'm going to call this skybox v2, since I already have one, but you can call it whatever you want, _MAT. So this material right here, the shader, instead of standard, go ahead and choose skybox. And there's actually 4 different options. The one I'll show you today is the procedural one. The procedural one takes in a couple gradients, but in order to see these changes, go ahead and open your lighting window by going to Window, Rendering, Lighting, and you can dock this window wherever you like it. And click on the Environment tab here, and it's looking for a skybox material, this default skybox. So go ahead and drag in the material that you just made. It's also looking for a sun source. Go ahead and drag in your directional light from your hierarchy right there into sun source. So now what you can do is you can rotate your directional light and it will rotate the physical sun. There it is. So by rotating your light, it's rotating the sun that's in your scene, right? So you can sort of simulate a sunrise. But now you can go to your skybox material as well, and you can, let's say, set the ground to be a really dark color. You can set the sky tint to be whatever color you want the sky to be. Whoa. And you can also mess around with the atmospheric thickness. So if there's an atmosphere like you're looking at like downtown LA, what does that look like if it's totally white? Oh, yikes. Man, yeah, there's a lot you can do with this atmospheric thickness. Maybe you want no atmosphere, like you're on a planet where there's very, very little atmosphere. That actually looks kind of cool. You can change the size of the sun, right? The convergence, and then just the overall size. So if the convergence is really low and the sun size is high, you get this massive, massive glowing sun. You can also mess with the exposure down here, of course, right? And just fine tune those values, right? And you can get some pretty cool effects with this, depending on what it is you're going for. It's kind of cool. And that's it. Just by adding that material and putting your directional light in the place of the sun source, you can customize your atmosphere. It's kind of cool. That's it for this one. All right, see you in the next one.